Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AI for cybersecurity. Begin by building a strong foundation in cybersecurity basics, including network protocols and common attack vectors. Simultaneously, master Python programming, which is essential for data analysis and scripting in this field. Then, delve into fundamental machine learning concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning to understand how AI processes information. This dual approach ensures a comprehensive understanding. Next, focus on how AI and machine learning are specifically applied in cybersecurity. Learn about using AI for anomaly detection to spot unusual network behavior that might indicate a threat. Explore how machine learning algorithms can analyze and classify malware, improving defense mechanisms. Also, understand natural language processing for efficiently sifting through vast amounts of security logs to find critical information. To solidify your knowledge, gain practical experience with industry-standard tools. Work with security information and event management, or SIEM, systems to see real-world data. Practice implementing machine learning models using popular libraries such as scikit-learn and TensorFlow. Crucially, engage in hands-on projects, perhaps building a simple intrusion detection system or a vulnerability scanner to apply your theoretical understanding. Finally, consider delving into more advanced AI topics like deep learning for complex pattern recognition and reinforcement learning for autonomous security agents. To boost your career, pursue relevant certifications that validate your specialized skills in AI for cybersecurity. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Continuously learning and adapting to new threats is key in this dynamic field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.